Want to ensure your Chase mortgage payment is never late? If setting up automatic payments seems complicated, you're not alone. Today, we're setting up Autopay for your Chase mortgage. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. Automatic mortgage payments deduct your monthly payment from your bank account on the same date each month, giving you peace of mind. Step 1. Navigate to Mortgage Autopay. Log into your Chase account and select your mortgage. Go to Payments, Automatic Payments, Set up Automatic Payments. Step 2. Choose your payment details. Select the bank account for withdrawals, the payment amount, usually the full monthly payment, and the payment date, typically your due date. Review and confirm your settings. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: set the payment date a few days before the actual due date. While Chase processes payments quickly, giving yourself a 2 to 3 day buffer ensures your payment clears by the due date even if there are processing delays. This protects your payment history and credit score. So, just like that, you can automate your largest monthly expense. Mortgage Autopay goes a long way in financial peace of mind and credit protection. Now I'm curious, do you have all your major bills on Autopay, or do you prefer to review and pay manually each month? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.